Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about LeadLander, which is basically AI-powered website intelligence for your website. Right? It is a software that allows you to collect the contact information of any leads that's coming to your website. And so first of all, we can see that the headline is very clear. It states very clearly what the software does, so there's not going to be any ambiguity in the prospect's minds about the function of this website. And also, a good thing that they do is they have added a kind of lure at the top of the page above the fold, which is basically a contact form where it's asking for your contact information. So this is really good in order to increase the number of opt-ins that you get. And in this case, the lead magnet would be to start a 14-day free trial. What I would say is potentially add something else because I believe starting a free trial is like a lot of standard procedure for a lot of SaaS companies. So whether that is adding a discount, a freebie, or any kind of product or service that might help convert this form a little bit more might help. Also, here they go more in depth about how it all works in terms of being able to identify the contact details of the leads that are actually coming to your website. This is really good. All right. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we can see even more features that may help you decide to use this software. And here you can see a few testimonials from people that have used the service before, and it is a really good form of credibility. And they've also got a little bit of a video testimonial that you can go and watch if you wish to do so. And you can go and check some more case studies for credibility. Here, even more social proof in terms of the number of brands that I've worked with. Um, LeadLander previously. There's also a few high profile ones like Motorola, and they say that they've got more than 1,000 under their belts, which is really good in terms of credibility. And here they've got more blogs that they can read basically if they wanted to. Also, uh, since this is the end of the page, the what potentially might have increased the conversions even more is having some sort of open FAQ question sections at the bottom. I can see that they've got this section right here in the actual links in the footer. However, it might be helpful to actually directly on the homepage so that a prospect doesn't have to actually click any link and they can just read whatever they need to read, because these are very important to basically um, handle any objection that a prospect might have in their minds before making a purchasing decision, right? And if we go on pricing, we can go and check what the pricing is like, and we can see that for small businesses, it is very straightforward at $89 a month, and we've got all the features that you might need with this plan, which is very helpful to help the prospect make a decision. They also keep reiterating the amount of clients that they've worked with and how they've been able to help a lot of businesses, which is good for, again, conversion. And other than that, I think it's a cool website with with a few more, um, how can I say, with a few more tricks and modifications that might be able to convert a few more. And uh, other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to run a SaaS company, you would like help with increasing your conversions from free trials to paid users, please, you can get in contact with me by clicking on the link down below in the description if you want to book a call. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.